Wads O'Hare said alcohol is a drug. He says I'm a drug addict. Really? Alcohol? It's in the whole fucking world must be drug addicts, because just about everybody I know drinks and does more than drinks. Not that I know a lot of people, but I've worked around a lot of people in my life, but it's not to say much. So the whole world must be alkies, if that's the case. Oh, shit. Even fucking famous presidents drank. Wads O'Hare. Wads O'Hare. I'm surprised I haven't deleted you. I don't know, something makes me just want to keep, because he verbally challenged me all the time, so I'm like, it's kind of like a crossword puzzle. You have to kind of use your head, think of a tactical move, and just devise a nice plan for a comeback. It's kind of interesting. So the 21st of this month is going to be a solar eclipse. It happens once every 99 years. From California all the way to the East Coast, down to Florida, out to the Atlantic Ocean on the East Coast, all the way fucking to California. Once in a lifetime thing. You ain't going to see it in the next lifetime. Only this lifetime you're going to see that. It happens once in every 99 years. A lot of ingrates on my channels lately. I don't know. Back on the gravy train, I guess. Fuck. Oh, let's change the plans. Switching back to this here. Liquor gets you there quicker. Plus it's only good when it's cold. I ain't got ice, I ain't have a refrigerator. So I might as well just finish it while it's a little bit cold. Yeah, fucking jackasses on my channel. Can't really control it. I could block them or delete them or ignore them or report them, but what good does that do? That doesn't. Wish I had some normal, regular people that just leave, just humanly decent comments, just decency. When it comes to having a girlfriend, a social life, and having friends my own age, I'm a loser because I'm not a social person. I could talk to people. It's not that I'm autistic. I just can't make friends for some reason. I can't get booty. I don't have swag. I don't know what it is. I just can't do it. I guess I don't have no game. I can't fucking, I don't know. I'm just too nice. I don't know. I don't know why I can't get females. I never was able to get females in my life. I always was either taken advantage of or let down, or just shot me down the first day or less, or rejected me. But I don't fucking know. When I was in my 20s, I tried asking chicks out. That didn't work. Either they were flattered or taken or told me to go on a dating site. I don't know. I never had no luck with girls or social life. Never dated in high school. Never really dated, period. Oh well. Beat goes on. And my face is getting poofy and bloated and puffy, my face, but because I don't eat right, I don't know. this point, I don't even give a shit anymore. I'm getting old. I don't fucking care.